Adoption of software as a service and unified communications as a service is skyrocketing, with the rise of work from home being a major factor. Companies without unified communication services had to quickly spin up SaaS licenses with little planning or oversight, resulting in oversized invoices and significant levels of waste. We've put together a step-by-step process to help you develop a strategy that includes real-time visibility into usage and costs, automation to drive efficiency, and optimization to ensure continued success over time. Step 3. Optimize. Now that you have visibility and processes in place, it's time to optimize your UCaaS usage and spend. Identify low or zero usage across licenses and easily return, move, or reassign them when needed. With automated self-servicing capabilities, saving a tremendous amount of time and resources with results in real time. Optimize subscriptions and call plans to eliminate waste and churn and ensure long-term cost efficiency, the right plan for each user. Be automatically alerted to upcoming contract renewals to know the number and type of licenses required before starting negotiations. To learn every step of the process, visit Calero-MDSL.com.